So now we're going to be talking about layers. We have three types of layers. One is flat. Flat layers reflects in building and creating a square shape. Convex layers, you're cutting the hair above 90 degrees and you're creating a round shape. So layers is a removal of weight. So everything above 90, you're removing the peso, heaviness. So the removal of weight creating by holding the hair away from the head at 90 degrees angle or higher. This technique controls the movement and texture of the hair. So everything above 90, the hair is crazy. You have more so flat layers, when we're cutting flat layers, I already explained this, but again, everything will be pulled, because we're going to divide this in panels. Let's say the whole panel from this side, everything is going to be cut flat. My finger flat, back the same, top the same, the other side the same. So once you pull out and straight and cut, its flat layers become square shape. Do you guys getting? It's all related. The elevation, the angle of the finger, the layers are techniques. So triangular shape, it's created by the elevation and the angle of your finger or by over direction. Mullets are concave layered. Concave layered is mirror the shape you want to create. Concave layers is triangular shape. Mullets, short to long. So that's what's gonna happen with mullets. Okay, if you do everything square, can be mullet, the style, but the shape are square. If you pull everything square and cut the back part as a mullet style, in in flat layers, you create a square shape, but mullet. The style change. It's a different style. It's a different. Mullet's supposed to be triangle. If you cut flat, it's going to be square shape, and that's fine. Round shape, very easy. Just cut the hair, following. First, if you want to cut round shape, you pull down to your line. The next, you're gonna elevate, elevate, let it go, elevate, cut, and then you start rounding off the contours of the head again. So when you want to create a round shape, convex layers.